Let me hit you with this. These are three things people do every single year that guarantee they lose money and they think they're winning. One, they keep money in a traditional savings account. Two, they feel good about earning little interest. Three, they completely ignore inflation. I'm going to break this down in real numbers and show you how to stop that cycle. Welcome back to Banking for Legacy podcast. I'm your host, Nelson Pizarro, where we help individuals, families, and business owners take back control of their finances. If you're getting value, please make sure to follow, like, and share at Banking for Legacy. And make sure you read Becoming Your Own Banker. That's the foundation of what I teach. Let's talk about some facts. This is 2026. The average saving account in the US still sits around 0.3% to 0.6% in interest. Yes, I said that right. 0.3 to 0.6%. That means most people, because they're using the big banks, are barely earning anything on their money sitting there. Now, yes, you've probably heard of high yield savings account, and those are paying roughly 3.5 to 4.5% right now. But here's what nobody explains about those. To even get to that higher rate, there are usually conditions. You have to bank online, not your traditional banks. Rates are not guaranteed. They can drop anytime. Some require minimum balances. It could be 50, 100, 250,000, and you have to keep that there just to get those rates. Some limit how often you can move your money. So if you had 50,000 and you need to borrow 25,000, they will stop giving you that 3.5 to 4.5% because you pulled out 25,000. So yes, it's better, but it is not a solution. We're constantly trying to put bandages when you have an open wound, and now we have to solve that. Let's break this down. Let's just say you have $10,000 in a traditional savings account earning 0.5%. Inflation is 3%. You lose $300 in buying power. So your real results, you're actually negative or down $250. We're not even including taxes. So let's just say you got $50 on your left hand, but you're actually down $250 because inflation is constantly going. Let's have another example. Let's use the smart saver or the high yield savings. That same $10,000 is now earning you 4%. That's $400 per year. Sounds a lot better, right? But inflation is at 3%. It still eats away $300. So your real gain, you made about $100. That's a lot better. But again, I didn't add any tax to that because those are capital gains. So let's be real. The average person is losing money every year. And even the smart saver is just barely staying ahead. And that's if they don't use the money to take it out to go buy what they need to or for any emergencies, which means you stop that compound. And that's assuming rates stay high, which historically they don't. So the real question is not, am I earning interest? The real question is my money actually growing faster than inflation or consistently? This is where you need to stop thinking about accounts and start thinking about systems. A real financial system should protect your money, grow your money, and give you access to your money when you want it. Because right now, the bank is using your money to win while you're playing defense. With the right strategy and a banking concept, you can flip that. Now your money's compounding, uninterrupted, and still available to use when you want it. If this is clicking for you right now, don't let this be another podcast you listen to and do nothing about. Just take action. I offer free consultation where we break down your numbers and build a strategy around your system. There's no pressure, just clarity and education. Reach out, message me, or contact me directly. Because once you understand this, you can't unsee it. And just closing, inflation doesn't show up like a bill. It takes your money every single year. And the hardest part is it's quiet and consistent. And if you don't have a system, it will win. But this isn't just about money. It's about control, it's about freedom, it's about building a legacy for your family, your business that they can depend on. I appreciate everybody listening to this podcast. Make sure to share this with your friends, coworkers, and family because most people have no idea this is happening to them. I'm Nelson Pizarro. This is Banking for Legacy Podcast. And remember, your bank, your money, your legacy.